I coulda. This little fool them I send. Hey, can this move a big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with cool back at them.
Devin the doctor, you can't style no man. Shelly and listen on your face, you have powers. Long time she a give you golden showers. Drive for buying stock for beat it for hours. Rounds him out, boy, I wish part of your body.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando and I building. With another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So you know we're there for review the Shane Skull and the Devin the Dakta lyrical feud that's about to stir up the whole place in a dancehall. And you know dancehall has been long overdue for a lyrical clash, but to me, after seeing where this trajectory go with the clash with Devin the Dakta and Shane Skull, it just looks like, to me, Shane Skull is not a match for a person like Devin the Dakta, because, truth be told, Devin the Dakta is well experienced. Remember, him come from Magnum Kings and Queen, and him there in a dancehall space, so him have a look at experience about clash. Even though him not really bust that big, him not bust in a dancehall like really get that big bust, but we can say, yeah, Devin the Dakta have experience. And from seeing the song where Devin the Dakta released for Shane Skull, the Hatchling, and seeing where Shane Skull released Brave and Bold, and comparing both songs, you can know so the song, the rhythm, a slow singing type of rhythm, you know, Mavada type of slow singing flowers, them type of rhythm, the slow rhythm. And the comparison between two songs, it is incomparable, because when we see Devin the Dakta do a kill Shane Skull lyrically with psychology warfare, Devin the Dakta I bring forth in this dancehall clash, and people I forget with the times, you know, people have to understand, say, you see that look uneducated badness that now work anymore. A lyrical, educated badness I work right now in a dancehall. And remember, them type of badness, you know, it's easy to fly over enough people's ears. The lyrical capability of Devin the Dakta, and this is why I say Shane Skull is not a match for Devin the Dakta, because the lyrical capability of a Shane Skull to a Devin the Dakta, bro, you can see it clearly with your naked eye. Say, yo, Shane Skull not up there lyrically. Him not inclined pan the level. I don't know if him gonna make Massacre write it for him, but even Massacre also, I have yet to see Massacre stimulate my brains with certain lyrics. If you say, yo, bad, me can run go to the dictionary, me can run go to Google or whatever, to find. But the fact that Devin the Dakta show his potential in a this year clash that I go about for Europe, I don't know where Shane Skull are waiting for respond again, but you know the old dancehall space love the clash, you know. All in the ear people say clash dead. Clash not dead, because see it right now, a lot of people hype about this whole thing, and currently we are waiting on Shane Skull for really answer. So I'm going to jump into some of the lyrics in depth, because I really listen to the song them, but I never really listen both song like really deep for understand where the artists them are say. So we are going to really review the song them, review Devin the Dakta's first, and then review Shane Skull song after, and then we are going to play some clippings of probably some people, some viewers expressing them feelings as it pertains to the whole clash. So before further ado, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be notified first. So without further ado, let's just jump right into Devin the Dakta.
Yeah?
Look on the picture here and tell me what is that.
Baby church mouse.
Okay, where you call baby church mouse?
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Yeah.
Where is it the hatchling?
Move hatchling.
No, don't run the animal. Make me teach how we deal with pick never go on like them Brave and Bold. Yo.
Now, first part of Devin the Dakta song, the first part of the song, him right, no, I'm not saying right off Shane Skull, but the first part of the song, you can definitely hear where him greet, is like point blank, him greet Shane Skull with Wally for this. He make him son this Shane Skull first by saying that Shane Skull is a baby to this lyrical warfare, this lyrical clash. Him a Hatchling, and when him son this Shane Skull, you know, and say he's a baby Hatchling, you know, a baby church mouse, you know, a Hatchling will just hatch out her egg. We know that rat not really hatch out her egg, but we know crocodile hatch out her egg. But the fact that him a call Shane Skull a Hatchling proves to you that he must say, yo, Shane Skull a baby to this thing. And you know what him do? He make he make his son greet Shane Skull the first part of the song. And his son greet him with conversation and make him know say, yo, you're actually into this thing, you're baby church mouse. And at this time I say, yo, and Devin the Dakta, a warfare war him a deal with. Him a beat Shane Skull in a way for make Shane Skull. You know say as a big man you can't kill Pickney. Cause that's a murder that you know a criminal activity that. So Shane Skull, Devin the Dakta, I beat the man, I beat Shane Skull, which is why I'm saying I could show you how we beat Pitney. We go out like them brave and bold.
Little Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a clap.
Jano, the man say your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. The man I tell you say Shane Skull a spiral out, him a spaz out, him a lose himself because remember you know Shane Skull approach the song with aggression, you know. Like fear, you know, like you can't hear him no holding no composure. It's like somebody push him out there for really go answer Devin the Dakta. Like somebody bully him and say, yo, you have to go answer him, you know. So the man I say, yo, you're erratic and your eyes them are dilate, like your eyes them are pulp out of your head. Channel dog, viewers and subscribers. Devin the Dakta, I use lyrical warfare, psychology, the art of war type of skills the man I approach this a clasher. When I listen to a song I say, Jano, you know, say Devin the Dakta, I want different breed of artists, a different breed of lyrical artists. Like I'm saying to viewers and subscribers, you see that dunce badness that them need for upgrade that, you know, because of lyrical badness, you know, technical, you know.
Behavior when anger inflates. You're lashing out loud, but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a part you didn't choose.
Oh my God, viewers and subscribers. You don't hear that, man? The man say he's lashing out. He is lashing out, sounding confused. Him never choose this part. Him take the part. Somebody push him for take this part. Yo, pull up that blood cleat again. Jano.
Sick behavior when anger inflates. You're lashing out loud, but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a part you didn't choose.
Jano, those are acts of child. Those are the acts of a baby. The man say he's lashing out. Him take a part where him never choose. It's like to say your parents push you to do something that you don't want to do. That is a child. Oh my God, viewers and subscribers. Viewers and subscribers, uno say Devin the Dakta I kill the man from the first part of the song without using a bag of gun lyrics. The man I beat the man with lyrics, technical lyrics will fly over Shane Skull head because from your list of Shane Skull song I just gun and then the cadence low, but we're gonna jump into it the full song.
Mimicking aggression, so confused and used. Abandon that bird, no mean when you're bound to lose. Call hug it.
Jano, viewers and subscribers. The man say Shane Skull confused. Shane Skull confused. He was abandoned at birth. Now me know you're born for lose. You get that, viewers and subscribers? The man says Shane Skull was abandoned from he was abandoned at birth. Him lose from this in a life, you know, because your parents them don't want you, so you're abandoned at birth. No, him know him born for lose. Jesus Christ. There's no win for Shane Skull. But you know we go to war already. We want the clash continue. But Jano, Shane Skull need to hurry up and respond. But Devin the Dakta, the capability of his penmanship is different. Jano.
Where you from and people give me the news that Mr. McDonald, Mr. Ferran, two dudes adopt you as a child while your mommy running loose. You were raised as a fish and you've never.
Man grew up in a home with Mr. McDonald and Ferran. You know him. Ferran massacre already. Ferran that a massacre's name. So Mr. McDonald's is Shane Skull's last name. So you know, so Mr. McDonald's Shane Skull's father, a man when he Mr. McDonald's. But I wanna know who is Mr. McDonald. Jano, pull up back that part. Jesus God. Yo, that song are too bad there. Pull up this song. Pull up this old song, the complete song there.
And tell me what is that?
Baby church mouse.
Okay. Where you call baby church mouse?
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Yeah.
Where is the hatchling?
Move hatchling.
No. Don't run the animal. Make me teach how we deal with pit never go on.
When we want to compliment the production team of a clarity, the song clear, the rhythm Clear. The rhythm is the perfect rhythm for this song, for a clash song. The rhythm, a clap. You can slightly hear a bell sound tonight, like a funeral type of bell.
Them brave and bold. Yo, little shit, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a classic behavior when angry.
Those are words. Those are intelligent words. Dilate, eradicate. Oh my God. It is erratic. Those are intelligent words. Like the average man, the people, the dunce culture we are going right now. Me not hide and talk. The dunce culture we are going right now. The people we are prop up dunce culture. Them can't understand them type of style. Yeah. That's why you see some of them lyrics that fly overhead. They must say, yo, Devin the Dakta now punch like how if you punch or whatever. But the man literally a punch in an intelligent way. That's why I say art of war, physical, psychological warfare go on another song.
Inflates. You're lashing out loud, but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a path you didn't choose. You're mimicking aggression, so confused and used. Abandon that bird, no mean what you're born to lose.
Jano.
Huggins where you're from and people give me the news. That Mr. McDonald, Mr. Ferrell, two dudes.
Man say him call Huggins and get the whole file for Shane Skull. Him call Huggins and get Shane Skull whole file that Mr. McDonald's and Ferran raise you in our home, dog. Two man raise you in our home, Shane Skull. Yo, Devin the Dakta.
You as a child while your mommy running loose, you were raised as a fish and you've never been to school, so you're just...
Whoa. You know that fly over enough people head, right? The man said he was raised as a fish and he never went to school. Get it? School of fishes. School of fish. Yo, look on the play on word there. People who don't know listen to that song, man. School of fishes. The man said the man was raised as a fish, and he never got to school. Oh my God, you don't know the school of fishing saying, right?
The hatchling behaving like a man. Grew up in a home where Mr. Ferrell is your mom. At 2025, I guess people will understand, but I am Jamaican and them they fuck with it.
Shit. The man I said, dog. The man I said the culture shift right now where people are give people a pass where I do you know the ABC culture where I go on in a dance hall. Not really dance hall, but in the Jamaican culture where man and man, woman and woman go together, stuff like that. So the man I say, yo, he's a born Jamaican. Him not depend them thing there. And him know say them thing there wrong. Jano.
Press the matic on your head and go some. But you're just a little child, take the belt in your hand. Go on home, lock up in your room. Yes, you want, close the buckle around the neck and tight on the ceiling fan. Now.
Bumbo the man I tell Shane Skull to hang himself. This is why I'm telling you, so Devin the Dakta, Devin the Dakta, I beat the man, I beat him to sickness. Beat the man, I beat Shane Skull to sickness. Cause remember said the war just started, so you have to kick it off on a decent way, on a mellow type of way, so it get heated and hot in the second round. But Jano, Devin the Dakta, I beat Shane Skull. The man I tell the man say forgot hang himself on the ceiling fan. And yet, Jano.
Before you go cancel that point, be useful for at least once in your life. Write a suicide note to your favorite dad, your careless mom, send you for dead in bravery a shot.
Jano. Devin the Dakta is a different artist for ramp with another dog, lyrically, you know. I feel like the man just exercise him lyrical capability in that song because the man has said, bro, the man literally has said, dog, before you go hang yourself, go write a suicide note. You guys remember Massacre's suicide note song? Yo, Jano, Devin the Dakta, you're full of lyrics, dog. And these are the stuff that people really need to take on to because we're in a time of education, we're in a time of intellectual type of era of music and mindset of people. We know the panda dance thing the way the people might promote, but Jano, Devin the Dakta, your penmanship sick, dog. The man say, Ferran, afraid him send him out. Your careless mom send you out because him afraid that a massacre, the man I call massacre a woman to bumbo clot. The man I say massacre a batty man. How would the blood clean this? Pull up that part. Pull up that part. Jesus. Yo, Candice no ram forget chatting on dog. Massacre girlfriend. I don't know if man are married yet, but Massacre girlfriend Candice. She don't ram for get shot. She get shot from Skeng when Skeng diss up Massacre, and now she a get shot again when Devin the Dakta a diss up Shane Skull and Massacre. Jano, Massacre, you know come defend Candice, your girlfriend. Jano. Yo, Devin the Dakta. Devin the Dakta clap viewers and subscribers. Me give him props. Me give him props. Because this a song is sweet. That song is sweet, especially when the man going at the chorus. The man say, oh, them a killer, oh, them again, it's a fool, them a send a Candice. Move your big pussy, me shoot one of them. Yo, Jano dog. Oh, so this is part when them stepping at the real gun part of the lyrics now, the gunman style. Alright, pull up that part. Jano. Whoa. Don't let that fly over your head. Feed them with supplements. Feed them with bullet like supplements. Me give them one a day. You guys heard that? Supplements, one a day pill. Supplements, the man feed them with bullets like supplements. One a day them get me bumbo clean. This is why I'm telling you, say, bro, intellectual badness. The badness too technical for them. We give them L because we gangster. The badness too technical. Me bumbo clean, viewers and subscribers. You know, see the man I deal with Shane Skull away viewers and subscribers. Me I wonder if Shane Skull IQ up them way you fi spit lyrics like them here. I really wait for them. I wait for Shane Skull for really respond to this song, you know, because after listening to Shane Skull's first song, Jano. Whoa, the man has a cap and modify them body. GMO, I'm gonna spray. Jesus Christ, let me find that. GMO, what GMO mean? I'm gonna spray GM. Hey, Devin the Dakta dog. Yeah, Clark, brother. Yeah, Clark dog. GMO. Oh shit. Me bumbo Clark, Devin the Dakta. GMO, I'm gonna spray dog. Yo, I for genetically modified organism. Oh shit. Oh my God. Yo, listen back the lyrics when the man said GMO. Listen back that. Only think Devin that. Kill them one idea. Man, I pour from 18 when I turn them gonna wear. Cop up and defy them body. GMO me gonna spray. This is why it says exactly genetically modified organism. Oh my shit. Jano. Yo. Pull up that. Yo. Dog, this is intelligent badness, you guys know that, right? This is intelligent badness, you know, brother. Man say right. Man say exactly. This is what I'm say. Don't make a man feel like saying can't this or singing a song say a man can't this because any man can this any man. What the man say? Nah say you can't this if you brave, but shot there for screw, shot there for busting on your screw face, shot there for bust it, yo. Devin the Dakta a clot. Man say what the rifle? What the rifle and a munga, but my honor rebel. Big up the man, big up munga, and I'm sang said speed enough viewers and subscribers. Oh shit. The man a lily down them badness. I said them not even bad. Them barely the panel level. Them barely the panel level. Yo, Jano. Devin the Dakta. Oh my God. These are new informations we never know about. You see what them thing are caused down in the dance hall? The man says Shane Skull touch him sister and take her maiden, take her virginity. Me bumbuckle. That not right, man. Is that true, Devin the Dakta, or a lie, I tell? Even though you can make up things in our clash. That is what clash is for. You can make up anything in our clash. But Jano, viewers and subscribers, Devin the Dakta, a murk Shane Skull. Only thing Shane Skull can come back from something like this. Then could go in a Shane Skull song now and make a hear what Shane Skull have to say. Because Jano, viewers and subscribers, Shane Skull Shane Skull, I get murked from all angles. Who think Shane Skull can manage all a clash like this? Yo, uno need, Jano, uno need to give Devin the Dakta and prop, bro, cause Devin the Dakta are clot in another song. Clot in another song. I'm gonna pull up Shane Skull part of the song now. Right, Shane Skull, what you was saying now?
One and one alone, one wild, one swamp, one. Everything I want. Don't try violate. Wildest one, crocodile. Pull up at them foot. Crocodile, badness, your best. One alone, you know?
No, I like the intro, but the intro, pull up back that intro, the part. Cause I like that intro.
One and one alone, one wild, one swamp, one. Everything I want. Don't try violate. Wildest one, crocodile. Pull up at them foot. Crocodile, badness, your best. One alone, you know?
Devin the Dakta, you can't style no man. Shelly and pissing on your face, you are powers.
That bad. Devin the Dakta, you can't style no man. Shelly and now yes, you are boys. Yo, the clashing thing and something else in the dark. And you listen to artists are clashing in the dark. And you listen for this them and it make you laugh sometime in the dark. You listen for the this them it make you laugh dog. But so far Shane Skull song a go on. Yeah.
Sometimes she a give golden showers. Right foot binds down to beat it for hours.
But one thing about the song, it start off alright, but the only thing me have with the song I'm gonna like is that the cadence too flat. The dog now give no aggression in the song. Like, put some oomph in the song, dog. The dog just sound like him just wake up out of bed and go in the studio for vibes. Him they even hand down a liquor, him even hand down a vibe and a smoking. The song just flat. Why the song sound so? Pull up again. Jano.
One and one alone.
The intro bad.
One swamp, one. Everything I want. Don't try violate. Wildest one, crocodile. Pull up at them foot. Crocodile, badness, your best. One alone, you know?
Devin the Dakta, you can't style no man. Shelly and pissing on your face, you are powers. Long time she a give golden showers. Right foot binds down to beat it.
Yeah, me talk, bro. It's flat. What? Bro, a clash, in a dog. Shane Skull, a clash, brother. If you a clash, you can't sound up on track, dog. You can't sound up on flat, dog. Flat pan track, brother. You gonna get overthrown, bro. Channel viewers and subscribers. What do you think about Devin the Dakta? Shane Skull say, about the Devin the Dakta song just a kick dog. But what do you think what Shane Skull say? Who do you think the song flat? Who do you think it want more oomph in it? Who do you think it want more energy, aggression in it? Because the dog sound flat. Or him no want clash. Cause me no know.
For hours, rounds him out, boy, I wish part of your bad. Crocodile, we wild, we dark, we mad.
One flow, one cadence. Why?
Pull up by your foot with that blood clot weapon. Suck your mother poem up brawling and stubborn. They barking like Russian. Crime me on mission. Kill top blackness and
Oh, he kind of changed the cadence right there. Not bad.
with a gun audition. Forget belt and a ball like Chris and pussy. You soft like chiffon. Brave and bold. See the crocodile and fall. Shot like
That brave and bold part could have changed still in a big man thing. The brave and bold part they could have get more oomph in like this. Yo, Shane Skull, dog. No disrespect, bro, but the song flat, brother. Come with something else, dog. If you come with something else with that same flat style, I hit that fear night clash. Big man thing. If you forward with something else, like this, I hit that, bro. The whole cover art I sang bad. But bro, the song just flat. Why? The whole cover art just look like the song on hot, wicked, with a belt buckle to blow out. Jano, yo. Man, the man said me take a little life and me take a little soul. I want to know what the difference of taking your life or your soul. Is it two things or is it one thing? That more I know. Viewers and subscribers, show the thoughts in the comments about that. Him take away him life and him take away him soul. Me not understand. Your soul or your life, right? If your soul get take away your life, take away too, right? Me not understand that a bomb.
spend 2 more no time.
lay them down on floor. Break with skulls on board. Wild, G-side in the head that we go fling steel. King wild, pragmatic with a Springfield. Body drop on the top, on up watch your skin peel.
Nah, bro. Where is the diss in the song? The second verse should be more disses, bro. You just singing a bag of gun lyrics in the second verse, bro. I know me not hear it. You diss the man a few times in our first verse, and then that's it, bro. Come on, brother. I can't understand them. Yo, and that's why I'm never really interested in a really vlog about that clash, you know, cause it don't make no sense, dog, because the real clash culture come like it dead, dog, because the man don't really understand how to go to clash or really clash. We need punchlines, we need this, we need informations and things we don't know about the artist. Some things we make we laugh or some things we make we think about and say, yo, Jano, God, them things are going. Just like when Devin the Dakta say you touch your little sister, we never know about them things there. Even if I lie, bro, that is what clash is all about, bro. But Jano Shane Skull, you disappoint me, bro. You disappoint me. After all of that poo in a video, dog, and this you go do, brother? Come on, dog. Come on. Yo, yeah, man, I hit that, man. Jano, viewers and subscribers. Jano, bad. Me can't understand this. This is why we never really run out for this the thing. I'm tell you so I never listen song out for the full. I just hear a few part of them. I'm say, yo, I'm gonna wait a little bit before I review them. But Jano, viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. Because Jano, Shane Skull, big disappointment to the genocide. Big disappointment. Massacre need to run out or give Shane Skull some lyrics. And as I said, viewers and subscribers, I have yet to hear Massacre with a song will stimulate my meds, bro. Because the lyrics them were Devin the Dakta spitting out this song, the metaphors them, the word plays, the type of words them when I use in a song, you have to go into the dictionary. You have to really go to understand and dissect it and really hear where myself comprehend where Devin the Dakta said. But Shane Skull, dog, Shane Skull, yo, you're not ready for this, dog. You really be able to blood clean. You're not ready for this. Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section. You know you go already, man. I vibes and insight with Nando. You know I'm mad thing. I'm out. Peace.